Hey guys, it's Tiara. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a shopping haul. And yeah, I have accumulated a couple of items over the last couple of months, or not really that long lah. I just went on a shopping spree, okay? But yeah, I'm really excited to share with you guys my haul, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before we jump right into the video, be sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified as to when I upload a brand new video. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump right into it. Alright, I'm gonna start off with a haul that actually inspired me to do this whole haul before I bought everything else, and it is a haul from Amazon. And all of these items are more for like my makeup kit, to elevate my makeup kit and elevate my makeup services to my clients. This was inspired by me watching a lot of TikToks by professional makeup artists, and I really love and enjoy watching all of their content and all of the product recommendations and how they actually go about like servicing their clients. So I bought a bunch of sponges, and they are from Paw Wonder Blender and this brand by Suzanne makeup sponges. So these are latex free sponges, and you must be wondering like, Tiara, why do you have to have so much sponges? And that's because moving forward, I would like to use one sponge per client. I know a lot of people are already doing this, and I should have started a way long time ago. I know that I have been very particular about hygiene in my makeup kit and with my clients, especially now with COVID, but it's time for me to level up, and this is how I'm doing it. So like I said, each client will have one sponge only, and at the end of my makeup application, I will give them the sponge. And apart from those like beauty blender like sponges, I also got like a set of 10 triangle puff sponges like this. So these are just mine. I use these ones. The reason why I'm showing you mine is because I haven't received the pack of 10 that I got. So similarly, these I will use for each client, and at the end I will gift it to them. And then I got these organza pouches, and these are what I'm gonna put like the sponges in, and my name card as well, just as like a little like gift bag kind of thing. And I also got these containers. So these are little small tiny containers where I can put like the lipstick. I can scrape a little bit of the lipstick that I use on my clients, and I can even like put powder inside these containers so that my clients can touch up throughout the day. Let me just show you like how it looks like. So these are the little containers. They are really cute and tiny, and yeah, I just got a box of 100 because that's what they sold it in. I think they'll be very useful, and it'll be a nice something to give to the client at the end of the service. And of course, I bought these. So let me just open it up. Of course, I had to replenish all of my disposables. So these are disposable mascara wands, and these are disposable lip applicators. So I've already been using this for ever since I started my makeup work journey. I think this is quite a basic thing to have, so I just wanted to replenish this in my kit before they run out. And the last thing I got from Amazon is this, which I've already opened and used. So this is like a makeup brush bag caddy thing. So it has a strap actually, and it's good if you are like a makeup artist on the move and then you need to like carry your brushes around with you. But for me, I feel that I wanted to keep my brushes away from dust, and last time I used to put it in a container, but I feel like I needed to upgrade it a little bit. So I got this one, and it fits all of my brushes so perfectly. There's like a PVC plastic here, there's a zip. So yeah, like everything is kind of protected in here. And whenever I need to pack up for a makeup assignment or something like that, I can just like easily pull out the brushes that I need, and they are just all neatly inside here. Okay, now moving on to my Sephora haul. So this was done before the recent 20% off haul. If you've watched my Instagram, you would know what I bought, but I thought I'd just like lump it together in this video. Again, most of these items I really got inspiration from recommendations on TikTok by makeup artists as well. So yeah. First up is the Patrick Ta Major Dimensions eyeshadow palette. I have been wanting this since it launched in Sephora in Singapore, but I just stopped myself because I feel like I had a lot of eyeshadow palettes. But I thought I wanted to treat myself. It's been a while since I last got an eyeshadow palette for myself. I actually have it on my eyes today. I hope, yeah, you can see it. But yeah, I really like it. It's so pretty, you guys. The colors inside are just incredibly gorgeous, and I've used it a couple of times and I really like the texture and the formulation of the eyeshadows, and the glitters and the shimmers are just so great. The only thing is that the rose gold packaging is kind of like a what do you call it? A fingerprint magnet. But yeah, the shades are so pretty. It's so pretty, guys. Like, I love it. I know that it's a very neutral eyeshadow palette and it's boring, but the truth is that's what a lot of us use, right? Unless you are very into the colorful eyeshadow. But I'm you know, aging, then like it can't be boring lah. The next product is my Dior Backstage Glow Face palette. So I finally decided to get this after so long. This is not for me, it is actually for my makeup kit. So I'm sure you guys have seen this all over TikTok and on YouTube already. I can't wait to use this on my future clients. So again, just upgrading my kit. Yeah, just upgrading my kit basically. And then the next item that I got is another eyeshadow palette, and this is the Natasha Denona Nude palette. So for this palette, I wanted to put it in my makeup kit for my clients because I really like the iridescent colors in here, and I thought that they will make really nice eyeshadow toppers for my eyeshadow looks that I do on my clients. And then I also got the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. If you don't know yet, Singapore Sephora doesn't carry Urban Decay anymore. And so I was like, oh no, what am I gonna do for my makeup spray, right? So I decided to try the Charlotte Tilbury one, and this is actually the baby mini size one. So again, this is actually going into my makeup kit. Next, I have an eyeshadow primer. This is the MAC Extended Play Eyeshadow Primer. Again, because Urban Decay is no longer in Singapore, so I have to find another option, and I thought that you can't go wrong with MAC, right? So this is a backup for when my eyeshadow primer in my makeup kit has finished. The last thing I got that's not from the sale is my favorite Lovey lash in the style Fleur. Not gonna talk too much about this because everybody knows that I love this lash. I use it on myself, I use it on my clients. I just love how comfortable and wispy they are. The last few items I actually got during the sale because Karun had to hit like a certain amount to enjoy even more discounts, so I got these. So the first thing I got is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen. I heard a lot of things about this sunscreen, so I'm very curious to try it, and I'm running out of my sunscreen, so that's why I decided to get it. And to fit that amount, I got this baby mini size of the Bobbi Brown Enriched Face Base, the Vitamin E, I think. Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I've used this on my clients. I have a full size for my makeup kit. I just never used it on myself, so this will be the one that I use on myself. And because I spent too much money at Sephora, I got free gifts from Fenty, the Fenty Glow, what do you call this? The Gloss Bomb Cream and the Gloss Bomb, which I already have. So this was a free gift from Sephora. Alright, now on to like I guess clothing items or like fashion items. I got some stuff from Petite Moi, and this is a Malaysian fashion brand. I'm actually wearing their dress as well. This is the Julia dress from Petite Moi. So they recently launched like their Parisian line, and I decided to get it. One of it is actually in the wash, so I'll just put a photo of myself wearing it here. I wore it to the office the other day, but one step only lah. I actually used this baju already. I actually wear already, but I just wanted to show you the box. Yeah, Petite Moi's box are really nice. I got this sweater, the striped sweater. Oh my goodness. I have been holding out on getting this sweater for so long, and then finally they restocked it. And I'm like, you know what? I'm getting it. No, whatever, I'm getting it. So I really love the fit on this. I got it in the size X. No, I got it in the size S. And the other one is their new sweater, the cream one with the red trimming, super nice, and I got that in a size XS, but I do feel that I should have sized up because the sleeves were a little bit on the cuff side and not like quite full. But yes, I am so happy I finally got my hands on this because I love stripes and I just love this detailing, like the scallop, scallop collar and all of these like buttons, and yeah, they are balloon sleeves as well. Yeah, so really pretty. I love batikuma stuff. So yeah, I don't know why I decided to get this, but I think I blame my husband. Like, Karan was the one who like, Tiara, I think you should get it. Like, you know, we can be matchy. So I got myself a brand new pair of Timberland boat shoes. So I have had Timberland boat shoes before, but they were not the original like boat shoe color. This is the original line. So there's no like promotions on this. But yeah, I got it. I forgot how much I love Timberland boat shoes, and yeah, now my husband and I have similar pair of boat shoes, so we can, you know, be twinning or something. But I do feel that Timberland boat shoes and Timberland shoes in general are pricey, but they last a really long time. So if you are on the market for a really good pair of trustworthy shoes, highly recommend checking out Timberland if they are like your style of shoes. Yeah. Okay, very quickly is the last item in my haul, and it is my new fragrance. This is the Coco Mademoiselle by Chanel, and I'm sure 1,000,000,001 people smell like this. They know this scent, they have it already in their collection. I took a very long time to jump onto the bandwagon, simply because it's incredibly expensive. And honestly, the only reason why I got it was that I already knew this smelled nice. I know how it smells like. The one of the biggest reasons why I decided to, you know, take the plunge and get this fragrance is actually because my husband really likes the smell. A lot of my fragrances that I use are influenced by my husband. I just feel that it's important for me to smell good, not just to myself and to the people around me, but also to my husband, because he's like the person who's going to smell me the most. So when I asked him to try this scent and asked him like, hey, do you like this scent? Like, do you think it will smell nice on me? Do you want me to smell like this? And he was like, oh my god, yeah, it smells fresh and nice. I really love it. Get it. So I was like, okay, so I'll get it. And I actually really like how sophisticated this smell is. I know I should keep it for special occasions, but like when I wear this out or to the office or something, I really immediately feel very confident of myself. Not that I don't feel confident when I wear my other fragrances, but especially this one is just something about this fragrance that really, like, you know, makes you feel like, not say you own the world lah, not like that, but you know what I mean. It just makes you feel like, hey, I can take on the day and I'm like a strong, powerful woman, you know, just getting, you know, things done, right? So yeah, that's my new fragrance. Alright you guys, so that's the end of my relatively large shopping haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. And yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me tonight, and I hope to see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!